Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 NuWave oven available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. If you want to enjoy good food in the comfort of your house and without spending too much time, then you should buy a modern oven. To help you out with the same, you can check out NuWave Oven Review's consumer report consisting of air fryer ovens, grill, and convection ovens that are sold like hotcakes in the market. So, let's start. Number 5. NuWave Bravo XL Smart 1800 Watt Convection Oven. With intuitive digital controls and 40 easy-to-follow recipes included, it's never been easier to air fry, bake, roast, broil and so much more. And with the precise temperature and time control, fully adjustable quartz heating elements and fan speeds, just about anyone can cook like a pro. Number 4. NuWave Bravo XL 1800 Watt Convection Oven. This advanced probe will shut off the Bravo once your meat, seafood or poultry reaches a set temperature. The NuWave Bravo XL includes 12 preset cooking functions for air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, toasting, grilling, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting and making restaurant-quality waffles, pizza and bagels with the single press of a button. Number 3. NuWave Brio 14-quart Large Capacity Air Fryer Oven. Every 15.5 quarts Brio includes mesh racks, grill plate, drip tray, integrated temperature probe, rotisserie kit, a 70 recipe book, 100 pre-programmed presets, NuWave Cooking Club app, and 1-year limited warranty. You even get the all-new non-stick grill plate. Number 2. NuWave Brio 14-quart Large Capacity Air Fryer Oven. The 14Q Brio uses superheated air and a special airflow design to cook crispy delicious fried foods without messy oil and extra fats and calories. Flavor infusion technology allows you to air fry all your favorites. Even cook from frozen, without defrosting. It's the perfect combination of capacity and versatility. Perfect for busy households on the go. Number 1. NuWave Primo Grill Oven with Integrated Digital Temp Probe. The Primo combines conduction, convection and infrared technology with the grill, to cook foods up to 70% faster than conventional cooking, while using less energy. Even cook from frozen, without defrosting. Perfect for busy households on the go. The Primo cooks until your food is perfect and then shuts off automatically, so you'll never undercook or overcook meals again. Guaranteed.